Hey guys, let's now take a look at the solution of question 30 of set D mathematics. The question is, the value of integral I is going from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 dx upon 1 plus cos x is. Now, in the given question, the integral which is given to us is I is equal to integration of dx upon 1 plus cos x from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Now, instead of solving this particular integral directly, we are going to apply the property of definite integrals on it, and the property that we are going to apply is f of x is equal to f of a plus b minus x. Now, when we apply this property, then our I, the new integral I, becomes, well, pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 of dx upon 1 plus cos. Now, a plus b, that is 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4 gives us pi, and it is pi minus x. So I can say that my I has now been modified to dx upon 1 minus cos x because, well, cos of pi minus x is minus cos x and it is going from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Here you can see that we have this integral I and this integral I as well. So let's consider this as 1 and this as 2. Now if we add both these integrals I, we get 2I is equal to integration pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, and we have dx upon 1 plus cos x plus dx upon 1 minus cos x. If we take the LCM here, we get 2I is equal to integration from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 1 minus cos x plus 1 plus cos x upon the product of 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x, which gives us 1 minus cos square x dot dx. So here you can see that if we now simplify, then this minus cos x and plus cos x cancels each other, and this 2I is now equal to integration from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, 2 upon, because 1 plus 1 gives us 2, 1 minus cos square x will become sin square x dot dx. This means that I can take this 2I is equal to 2 times integration cosec square x dot dx, because we all know that 1 upon sin square x is cosec square x and the limits are from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. We can cancel this 2 with this 2, and we know that integration of cosec square dot dx is minus cot x. So I will now be equal to minus cot x, and it will be going from limit pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. If we solve it, I can say that this I will be equal to minus of cot 3 pi by 4 minus of cot pi by 4. We know that the value of cot 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. So it will be, well, minus of cot, so this minus is in the bracket only. So minus cot 3 pi by 4 minus of minus cot pi by 4. Now cot 3 pi by 4 is minus 1. So it will be minus of minus 1 minus. Now cot pi by 4 is 1. So again it will become minus of minus 1. Now this will become 1 plus 1, that is 2. And this implies that the value of our integral is 2. And hence 2 is the required result.